price of XRP has absolutely exploded over 400% in the last month. As market participants from the 2021 bull market return and buy more of the coins they are familiar with, many people now believe XRP is going to $10, $20, and even higher. But is this impossible, or is it completely possible? So if you're new here, hit that like and subscribe to keep up to date with exactly what's going on in the crypto markets. And we're going to be jumping into XRP today, which, as you can see, is up 400% since the beginning of November. In less than a month, XRP is up well over 400%. And even today, again, up over 10%. You can see all of these daily candles, specifically just even going back to November 28th, it is up about almost 100% in the last couple of days. And many people are asking themselves, where's this thing going? Is it going to 5, 10, 20, or even more dollars per coin? And that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. But also, we're going to be answering the question, is it too late to get invested in XRP? And also, why is it going up? So first of all, I want to say congratulations to anybody holding it. I actually have XRP. I haven't bought any in a few years, but I have like decent sized bags from back in 2021. And the first time I ever bought XRP, I'll be honest, if I remember correctly, I think XRP was either the first or second coin that I ever bought back like 8 years ago. It was one of the very first coins. I bought like 5 coins. The very first day I invested in crypto, I bought like 5 coins. XRP was one of them. I think it quite literally might have been the first one. But anyway, yeah, congratulations to people holding. But let's talk about, is it going a lot higher and is it even possible? So first of all, let's talk about this. We see that there's a liquidation alert, about $200 million worth of XRP shorts that will get liquidated if XRP hits $2.75, which is very close to where we are right now, initiating a giga short squeeze, which could push the price of XRP even higher. Okay, that's one major thing we have to be aware of, is that in this type of environment, a lot of people are looking for a top and a lot of people are looking for a place to short it. And if the price goes above where these massive levels of shorts are placed, like at $2.75, then it'll do the opposite of dumping XRP. It could actually pump XRP massively. And we also see Wisdom Tree Funds officially filed an S1 with the SEC for an XRP spot ETF. They join Bitwise, 21 Shares, and Canary Funds in applying for a fund that tracks the daily price of XRP. And one thing that I want to highlight, and I have said this dozens of times over the last few years, personally, I have respect for Ripple for being basically the first to take on the SEC and succeed. XRP got completely destroyed in the last bull market back in early 2021. It didn't do very well because they were facing the brunt of the initial lawsuits from the SEC. So what I'm trying to say is that, yeah, I totally understand that was Gary G is the least favorite person in the crypto industry. And so if you've been holding XRP for the last few years, I just want to make clear my personal opinion. Hey, I think you deserve to make gains. I think the SEC going against Ripple XRP, I'm not a fan of the SEC going after cryptos in general. So pretty much if you held on for the last few years and you're benefiting right now, I'm happy for you. I hope that you make a lot of money, right? But we're also going to be super realistic about some of these price predictions because it would be dishonest. And I'm going to actually talk about that. It would be dishonest to just start throwing the biggest numbers on the planet out there. So there is some criticism from people talking about the transactions on XRP being, a fraction of something like Sol, right? And there's a lot of people that you're using that to maybe say, hey, why is this valuable? For example, Invest Answers actually right down here saying it has been a world-class Ponzi for 8 years and they still have 50 billion tokens to dump in escrow. And so I'll be honest, I don't think XRP is going to be... I think people are, as they do every cycle, getting way too bullish. And I'm going to look at a chart in a second. And personally, do I think XRP is going to overtake Bitcoin or something? No, I don't think so at all. But basically, if you can make a lot of money with XRP, myself included, I have XRP. If you can do it, then I want you to. I want you to succeed. I want you to change your life. And I want you to make money. I think that'd be awesome. But let's also be realistic. So another thing is that XRP added about 100 billion in market cap in a single month. Top cult memes will hit 100+ billion this next year. Believe in something. Basically, there's a lot of room for growth in this space. If you missed XRP, for example, if you missed XRP, I think you're going to have many other opportunities. And that leads me to this, right? Do not chase gains. Do not swap into something that's pumping just because yours hasn't. That is the biggest mistake people make if you're new. And especially in a bull market, especially this early in an altcoin bull market, your coin probably will pump eventually. Not every coin, but like there's a really good chance. So if you're watching XRP right now and you're thinking, oh man, I missed out. The beginner thing to do right now is to just swap out of whatever you're in and go into the coin that's pumped 400%. XRP could still go up a lot, and I'm going to be talking about that in a second. Okay, we're going to be talking about that specifically. But swapping out and chasing gains, guys, that is the beginner mistake. I've been in crypto for 8 years. If you have been in crypto for less than 4 years, I need you to pay attention to this, okay? Because basically, the longer you're in crypto, you most likely go through the same mistakes everybody goes through. And one of the biggest ones is chasing gains. Do not do that. Now, something that is very important here is that Predator posts, if you browse TikTok, it makes a lot of sense why XRP is pumping. There's basically no Bitcoin maximalist content on TikTok. And you see algorithms pushing out crazy videos of insane price predictions for XRP. For example, this video right here, this guy saying that XRP can easily reach $10,000 per coin. No, it can't. No, it can't. I mean, first of all, $10,000 per coin. No. But second of all, easily? Okay. Well, that's like saying I could easily jump to the moon. I could easily jump and fly through the atmosphere and fly to the moon. No, I can't easily do that. And I can't even do that. I can jump like 7-8 inches. I don't know what the normal jump for a human being is on Earth. But yeah, this is completely dishonest, this isn't good, okay? A lot of investors that are on TikTok, which it's the dumbest, even saying that sentence is just stupid, but investors on TikTok are, let's be honest, are not the smartest, they're most invested, most knowledgeable people about anything. That's not true. Maybe they know about like I don't know, random things, but like investing in TikTok, it's kind of like a cliche because most investors that are like talented don't go to TikTok. The people that go to TikTok for investing are people like this that are dishonest and they lie to you and put something like $10,000 per coin. Keep in mind, I think XRP can still pump a lot. But saying $10,000 per coin, guys, that would make the market cap higher than there is money that exists on the planet. So no, not only is that not easy, it's not even possible. Let's be realistic here. And you know what the crazy thing is? You might be thinking, oh, well, technically, and you crunch some numbers and you think, oh, it's possible. No, this is not the first time people have thrown out this, right? The same exact thing has happened in previous markets. And, we get up to here and people back here were saying, oh, XRP is going to $600. And it was only at $2 and then it crashed for 3 years. So do not be tricked by people like this. It's so important. It's this kind of stuff on TikTok apparently is really common. So you have to be realistic. But I do personally think, as you can see on this chart, Good Morning Crypto, maybe we are within some sort of wedge where we actually are going to break out much higher, maybe $10, $15, $20. For example, is it possible XRP gets to $10? I'm just going to be honest and say it. Yes, $10 is possible. That would be about $570 billion of market cap, which would be about $100 billion more than Ethereum's current market cap. Currently, XRP is the third most valued crypto at about $150 billion. It passed Tether and Solana recently with this massive pump, up 86%, 87% in the last 7 days. So yes, $10 per XRP is possible. Is it sustainable and easy? No. But it's definitely possible. It's basically just a 4x from here. Okay, we're talking about a $10 XRP. Is a $20 XRP possible? Hey, if this bull market, look at this altcoin chart, which is just starting to break out. And this is another reason why I think it's okay to be bullish on altcoins, like maybe a little crazy bullish, because the entire altcoin chart hasn't even hit a new all-time high yet. And I think we're going to run to maybe $5, $6, $7 trillion of total valuation for the entire altcoin market. So I still think there's room to pump even for, which is quite now the third biggest crypto, XRP. There's still room for it to pump, but I would just be very, very cautious here, because even though there's room for it to pump, okay, say it's already gone up a lot and you need to be a little cautious. And if you haven't taken any profits yet, history would just tell you that probably might be a mistake. I'm not saying definitely take profits, but I'm just saying, if you have your life saving invested in XRP, what are you waiting for? Are you waiting for a $10 XRP? It's possible. Even a $20 XRP, that would be roughly what, about $1 trillion market cap? It's possible, maybe towards the end of this cycle. I don't think it's happening by next week. But I mean, some of these prices, you have to be grounded. The highest I think XRP could go, maybe somewhere between, like I said, 5 to the very crazy end, $15 or $20 per XRP this cycle, if things get really, really crazy bullish. But again, that is so far away from something like this, a $10,000 XRP. And just to illustrate my point, okay, you guys can't see, but there's 3 extra zeros on this side. For XRP to hit $10,000 per coin, XRP's market cap would need to be $570 trillion. For XRP, I'll say that again. For XRP to hit $10,000 per coin, the market cap of XRP would need to be $570 trillion. The entire cryptocurrency market cap, okay, is right now $3 trillion. Okay, let me say that again. For XRP to hit $10,000 per coin, it would need to be over $570 trillion in market cap, where the entire crypto market right now is $3 trillion in market cap. So guys, it's not going to $10,000. Maybe in 50 years. Let's probably not. But the thing is, 10,000, it just blows my mind. So get off TikTok is actually the best advice I could ever give you. The most valuable information I could give you for crypto is get off TikTok. Okay. Don't listen to anyone on TikTok. But overall, I think that the price could still go up significantly. If we look at the RSI and the MACD on the weekly chart, look at this. We're at the same heights that we topped out back in 2021 and in 2018 on the RSI and the MACD. This is the MACD. This is the RSI. Look at this. Look at this. Be careful. This is the highest XRP ever went. Right around $3. Are we going back to $3? I think so, probably. I think we probably will see $3, maybe like today, right? It could pump that much very quickly. But all I'm saying is be careful. Okay. Because at a certain point, it'll have a pullback, just like every cryptocurrency that's ever existed. But is it too late to make gains on XRP? No, I don't think so. In fact, if XRP would have a big pullback over the next week, maybe that would even be a good position to enter a long position. Your choice, your call. I'm just advising, please be careful. And get signed up with Femix below if you want to trade XRP, if you want to buy XRP and receive up to a $30,000 deposit bonus for a limited time. The link is in the description. Without any further ado, that's it for me.